Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A06. Simply go on Google, tap on your Google profile, simply scroll down, go in settings, tap on Google Assistant, scroll down, go in general. From here, enable the Google Assistant, tap on turn on. Now go back, go in Hey Google and voice match. Simply enable the Hey Google by tapping on this toggle. As you can see, the Google app is in my default application. So let's go in settings, scroll down, go in display, again scroll down, go in navigation bar, tap on default digital assistant app. From here select the Google, tap on OK. Now let's go on Google Assistant. Simply again enable this. As you can see, now it is saying to set up. Simply tap on more, tap on I agree. Again, now read the words which is written here. Hey Google, help me to write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. As you can see, my Google Assistant is set up. Now let's try the Google Assistant. Hey Google, set the timer for 10 minutes.
Alright, 10 minutes. Starting now.
As you can see, my 10-minute timer is set up. This is how you can enable and set up Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A06. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.